Welcome to TinkerSpace. Today let's make a height measuring cap. Here we have used one ultrasonic sensor, one LCD display, TinkerSpace Brain Board, two connecting wires, and a power supply. Let's connect the components. Here we have connected the ultrasonic sensor to input 3, and here we have connected the display to the display port. We are done connecting the components. Now let's do the coding.
Now let's do the coding. Open the TinkerSpace app. Now choose the Tinker board. I will choose Brain Board. Now click on Create New Project and type your project name. After typing your project name, click on Save New Project. The design space has been opened. Now, as per the hardware connection, I will add the input devices. Here, I added ultrasonic sensor as input 3. And for the display, we will do the coding session in the code space. Now go to the menu and click on Save. The generated design has been saved successfully. Now go to the menu and click on Go to Code Space. The code space has been opened. Now click on Add or Edit Input Condition. Select Hardware Input Condition. Distance with 3 condition. Click on Select this condition. In the distance 1 to 20 cm, in the custom message, in the string message 1, type your height. Now click on Save Settings. Do the same for the other 2 conditions. Now click on Save Settings. After adding the custom message, go to the display LCD 16:2. Here, there are 2 layers. In the first layer, select Add Custom Message 1. And in the layer 2, select Display Distance. After that, click on Save Settings. Do the same for the another 2 conditions. After adding the 2 layers, click on Save Settings. Now, in the height measuring cap project, we added ultrasonic sensor to detect the height, and we use display to show the result. In the distance 1 to 20 cm and in another 2 conditions, we added your height, so that will be shown in the first layer, and in the second layer, we added display distance. So it will show the distance from the height of the person and to the ground. From the ground to the cap, it will show the distance. So by the distance, we need to convert it into feet, and the distance will show in centimeter and your height will be displayed over here. When you put the cap on, so the ultrasonic sensor will send the ultrasonic sound to the ground, and as for the person's height, it will show the result. Like this, the code works in the height measuring cap project. After the coding is done, click on Save Code. Now go to the menu and click on Upload Code. Here you have 2 options. First one, USB upload. Second one, Wi-Fi upload. Now enter your device ID. Now I will enter my device ID. My device ID is Tinkers125. So now I will enter my device ID. My device ID I have entered. Now I will click on Wi-Fi upload. To upload the code, follow these 3 steps. Step number 1, turn on mobile hotspot. So set your hotspot name to tinkerspace.in and the password is tinkers123. Step number 2, click on flash or code switch of your Tinker board about 4 to 5 seconds, and your board will be automatically connected to this hotspot. Now step number 3, click on Search My Device button. Now your device is searching, and the device is connected. Now click on Upload Code. Now the generated code is going to the server and now it is uploading to the TinkerSpace Brain Board. The generated code has been successfully uploaded to the TinkerSpace Brain Board. Here we finished our coding part. Now let's do the hardware part.
We're done with the coding. Now let's test the project. We're done testing the project. Now let's implement it in a model. Here we have finished the model of our project. Here we have put our ultrasonic sensor and LCD display. The ultrasonic sensor will detect the distance from the ground to the cap, and the LCD display will display the distance in the form of centimeter. Now let's do the demo. When someone will wear the cap, it will show the height of the person.
Hope you enjoyed this project. Download our TinkerSpace app where you can find more model ideas suitable for this project. Do you like gifts? We have some giveaways waiting for you. Just follow the next steps to claim your Tinker gift. Open TinkerSpace app and create this project code as per the tutorial. Then share this code to me by clicking the button Share to Teacher. Here you have to enter your name, school, class, phone number, and click Send. We will go through code of each student and we will pick 25 students per month who will receive our giveaway TinkerSpace project. Why waiting? Do this project code and grab your kit for free. Thank you and stay connected with us.